What's up Sushi Lords family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you the easy lemon garnish ideas for the any kinds of food decoration, any kinds of salad decoration. So also we can use for the cocktails garnish ideas. Here's the lemma. Firstly I'm gonna teach you very simple way, okay? Firstly I'll cut in the very smooth slice, okay? Like this. 1, 2 and 3. That's it. First easy way is that one's very simple. Yes, I'll put here. And second easy way is I'll cut in the half, then I'll cut in small slice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, like this. Normally that kinds of dimmer decorations I love to use with the sushi decorations ideas, okay? That is the third easy way. I'll cut in half and I'm gonna cut in the half also, so I can make like this. Same as like that one, but I will cut again in the half, then it will be like this. Yes, that is the third easy techniques of the lemon garnish. Especially in the top of the nigiri, I love to use that kinds of lima garnish, okay? That is the first way. Second, third, I'm gonna teach you the fourth way. I'll cut in the half and I'll cut in the half. That means in that time I'm going to cut big size, okay? Then that I'll cut from here. Also you can cut like this. Yes, like this. Now we'll cut in the both side, in the right side and left side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And same as like that one, I'm gonna cut on the other side also. That I can use with this way. I will use the toothpick here. Yes, it looks like this one's. First, second, third, fourth, and I'm gonna teach you the fifth one, okay? Now we can cut in the round. A bit thicker, okay? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna teach one very easy way. I'll cut in half. Yes. Then I'll cut again in half. Again in the half. Yes, it's a very simple way. Now I'll cut in half. That's the very simple way, okay? But this ones I can make a little bit different one. Let's take out the skins, just the skins, then cut in 1, 2 and 3 and 4 times, okay? Then we'll fold like this. Yes, Yeah. Another thing is I'll cut in half like this. Okay, then I'll take out all the things, this one's skins. Yeah, now I'm gonna make it a little bit tiny here in the top of the skins. Let's see here. Then I'll roll it. Like this, or one is like that one, or you can take out these ones, for example. So I love to use these ones, but if you don't like, you can take out here and you can just use like this. Same as like the first one. Then I'm gonna cut here. I'll take out this part, and here in the same as like that one, in the crossway. Yes, I took out these ones. It will looks like a same as like the laughing, you know, you are laughing. Yeah. Also we can do like this. You can cut here same as like that one, then cut in just in the middle, then fold it like this. I'll show you again one of the another ones. In the middle and like this. Wow, nice. As you can see here, we have variety of the lemon garnish, or that kinds of lemon garnish we can use for the any kinds of food decoration, any kinds of salad decorations, and any kinds of cocktail garnish ideas. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.